morning. So I wanted to put this video up yesterday, December the 3rd, but after learning about Aidonia and Kimberly's son Khalif, I just could not. And I'm just sending out my sincerest condolences to both. Now on to the video with Richie Feelings. Sorry.
I want to feeling this morning on the alright. You know, I saw some disturbing news yesterday. I saw some disturbing news yesterday where I saw Peanut Jet coming out and asking for help. And the first thing that people did was start to tag Slick White Line. Some people are bash him and I saw him use the man and him a this and him a that and a that. You know internet and I saw internet stay. You know say Slick White Line is a youth to always come out and try to chop up videos and make, you know, people have a laugh, have a nice time. So the life that I do right now, I just bring awareness to certain things. Yesterday I come on and I tell you, say, this is how a lot of people do. Take people things, use them out, then nobody look back on them. I go from mackerel to candy. I go to all of these people. I talk to them and I tell them enough of these things. And the day that even did done, I say Peanut Jet. Peanut Jet is a man who have a whole heap of knowledge. Peanut Jet is a man who is in the street because street side education is bigger than university education. But some people fail to understand that. It's good to have education, you know. Go to school, get your education, your masters, your bachelors, all of these things. Get those things. See? But again, our social media work, social media beat you before them uplift you. See? Them beat you and beat you and beat you and beat you. I know Peanut Jet long time. Peanut Jet is a man with have all him car and him bike. You see me? And Peanut Jet is a man who love talk and I try to give you knowledge. And you take out him phone and a video Peanut Jet. See? Take out him phone and a video Peanut Jet. Peanut Jet did there and a go on. But Peanut Jet popularity start rise when Slick White Line start chop up in video them. Slick White Line does get the video them and chop out piece of Peanut Jet thing. See? So Peanut Jet have a YouTube which he doesn't know about the YouTube. He have other people that tell him, reign supreme. He have other people that tell him all kind of things. Same for rich because him vice they all about. This has happened all the while. Because at one point, you did hear say Pampotea rob Barbara. And Pampotea this and Pampotea that and shop make how much money and rare which not never go so. There's always going to be some dirty people who come and talk and talk and talk and talk and they don't know nothing. You see once people go some and click on a page and them see like all Instagram and them see I post all a video and them say all 30,000 people view the video. Yo, Richie, I make money off of that. Off of where? As long as it's not a paid advertisement, you won't get a cent. You won't get $1. See? You won't get $1. But again, illiteracy always mash up a whole heap away. The situation the Peanut Jet in, as you hear him say, a whole heap of people in it like him. He would like to live more comfortable. He's a man who tell us I'm willing for work and all of them something there. See? Because the man who do the video and it get the whole heap of views them, he might collect whatever he might collect off of YouTube. He's supposed to split the bread. Or give Peanut Jet something. A person who is illiterate, once somebody come to him and tell him, say, hundreds of thousands if you get. But them now say that them say millions I make off of your name. Millions if you make off of your name right away, the illiteracy kick in a Peanut Jet now. And when it kick in a Peanut Jet, they know what I'm going to say. Oh, them a rob me. All the boys Slick white line. Him a rob me. But Slick not rob him. Slick a promote him. And Slick just chop up him video. Send a money go give him. Because remember, you know, people are bash Slick white line in a youth. And bash the man and attack all kind of things about the man, you know. And them now bash the man with video Peanut Jet all the while. Where did Slick get these videos from? Remember, say if you type in Peanut Jet right now, about 40 pages, you see? If you type in Peanut Jet right now, 40 page. But again, nobody not see that. Because you know why nobody not see that? Because Slick white line is the popular one. When you're not nobody no business boy, yo. I want you to turn somebody people business boy, yo. Anytime you turn somebody, people business about you. You hear me say? So, if Slick never popular, nobody not care about him. I just show him as the popular one. And him always as a Peanut Jet. But remember, say Slick white line, I do him thing before Peanut Jet. So him a go, alright. Him a go, alright. Enough people where you see come on the internet and have them input. Them never give nobody $1 yet. Nobody never get $10 from them yet, much less $5. Because they make sure tell us that them not give nobody nothing. Them not have it to give nobody. See? They make sure tell her that, but they are the first one to be in the comment and attack people. To show you how people illiterate and fool. You see the Spice make a post. See? You see the Spice make a post. And for you look through the comments them where some people say a fake a Spice publicist. Because I'm not so Spice star. Because she say besties I'm okay. So them I say them now go feel good until the Spice come on live. So uno put on a pot and a spoon and wait till the Spice come on live. So that means that she type something. And I tell her say she okay. She should have come out and say, yeah people. When she come out and tell her say this she catch and that she catch, no cuss. When she come out again and make another post again, no cuss. When she come on live again, no still have a cuss. So uno just angry at yourself. Uno angry over everything and uno self. Uno not like nothing. Uno life just stay so. Them say a fake Spice, and not the real Spice, because I not so Spice right. You don't know how Spice right? So when Spice come on live, them are going to say, boy, is a clown this command. So I can't understand. You ask for something and you get it, and when you get it, you still complain. So I try understand and I still not understand. That's why more time I'm telling us, I come on, I just leave life alone. I leave life alone. Right? Just like some people never message me on a good day yet, and then they message me and I say, warm to Spice. I'm going to say, yo, Spice I go good, man. Spice I recover, whatever. And when them say she come on, them still I say, I know she. So who? Come on. I post a screenshot with me and Spice and them still have problem with that same way. Zine? That's why I tell you say you have to just live your life and don't business about people. Zine? Anybody who want help Peanut Jet because he bring a laugh to you because he say some things. Like all, one next one when I say I walk where they on the internet and I beg. What him name? One like old fish one. What him name? I don't know what him name. Him dey on live and I beg people, I tell people say him live a hotel. I don't know him name. See? And people have him over TikTok and have him over be a place and do all kind of thing. Him no one of them where him definitely a beg. See? But you have other people who really want assistance. Because I see people go say, I'm offer this brother your money and this brother tell him say go suck them mother and all of them something and this the people them and them are offer him money. So what that show you say? That show you say them people you don't want to help. Them people don't want to help. But in a Peanut Jet case, Peanut Jet I show you say, listen, him need a little comfort. Because, you know, him state where him in is not a nice state. Because Peanut Jet is a man of feisty, you know. See? Peanut Jet is a man of feisty, but him I tell you say, yo, him used to work and him used to do this and him used to do that. See? So, the Star put up a bank account. Because them say once you can spread any news at all, they just spread it. The Star put up a bank account. Anybody who is interested in giving Peanut Jed, any form of assistance, okay, how small it is, you can go to the bank account, you can go on the star page and look for the Peanut Jed story, or on the Observer and you see that story, because everybody like Peanut Jed. You understand? Everybody like Peanut Jed because him come out and him say, Radam, anything sweet, you got sour your ass, Radam. And everybody like it and laugh. So anybody who can assist, if you don't have nothing good to say, nobody say nothing. Don't bother say that person that fear help and that person that fear help. Because if you not go help, it better you say nothing. No better not say nothing. Nobody not say nothing. Because me realize long time say, and when you're dead, everybody love you. When you're dead. When you're alive, people laugh and go and let them check for you. But when you're dead, you're dead. See? When you're dead and gone. You understand? So, I just try to show no, and everybody ungrateful. Because Peanut Jed like work. He's a man, them don't know him, man. He's a man full of pride, you know. You know, sister, base, jacket, suit, and them something them weird. A man where they have him things and him just fall upon hard times, you know. Remember, a long time I know Peanut Jed, you know. Long time I know him. It's a Volvo him used to drive, you know. I remember Volvo in them time, that expensive car, you know. So I just buck him foot on the hard time. You see me? And you don't know it's a man where them man, they just, when them talk, you have to just laugh because it's a history man. Them man, they always tell about history. You understand? Enough people like Peanut Jed about, you know, but you not going to hear them open their mouth because the highlight not depend on them, because the Peanut Jed never did that talk and make people laugh. We don't care about him. We just care about him now because him have a popularity on the internet. See? Him have a popularity on the internet and it does. You know? See the next thing again. Condolences goes out to the family members of the bereaved of the late Slickianna. That girl lose her life so tragic. I'm not telling a lie. It's sad. I'm not even trying to think about it to how I feel bad about it. It's sad. But it's like if you look on the internet and see people still a true a word and I say, what did friend from one of a friend? That's why when me dead blood clot, me no want no funeral. Just burn me. You know, if you invite nobody to come and come talk about who never look good and who never did do this and who never did do that. Because one thing me know about a girl that she always live her life and she never busy with people have to say. I never believe it's a girl who look for handout. And if she goes about and lose her life and be people on the internet or some people in the comment them talk about how people are fake cry and how people are doing this. So they on blood clot internet and you just know everything about people. Like a judge, you know the judge, you know not even a mourn. You know not even a mourn, you know. You not even a mourn. All you know the pan is a sending this and a sending that. So we're on art there. We're on art there. Anika, good morning. You hear me say, man? I don't want nobody come on my funeral, man. I'm done dead, man. Tina. People. This is my good friend, Tina. You know, say Tina is a mortician, right? You don't know she run her funeral company and thing. You don't know she have the nice casket them and, you know, the good burial them and the something them. She there in New York. She hear about funeral, she run come on her face cock up. See? Big up my wife Tina. Don't know. I'm another wife, Katie, and two of them are two morticians. They will fight over my body. Then, but, I just say, looking on the internet and seeing all of these comments and seeing how people act over the dead. Not even the dead can rest in peace. That's why you see like when Francois died the other day and his funeral was so private. Zane, his funeral was so private and nobody had nothing to say because they were not invited. I saw you have to deal with some family member. I saw you have to deal with some stranger. I saw you have to deal with some friends. You have to just not invite them, just make the thing stay private. Invite a few people and just make it just stay like how it stay. Not make the public get involved. Just no say I hear me the person bury that way there. Because it's too sad, man. Family a throw word pan family, friend a throw word. Like everybody a talk about where them who was friend from, who they do this and who they do that. People a make all kind of speculation and all kind of wonder. People just wonder this and I wonder that. Who never give no money? Who never buy no wreath? Who never buy no this? Who never give the family no money? Who never bring no rum? Who never put no salt on the table? Who never bring no domino? Who never buy no loady boat? All kind of things, them things people are come like, come on. That girl never live like a charity. That girl never live like a charity. Them talk all kind of thing about that girl. And that girl face stay full of pride and she own up to her thing. You see me? And one you not understand, them say the mother passed her remarks and say, who set up my daughter? That was grieving. You don't have to just understand. Like she said, which one of the friends them set up my daughter? You don't have to understand when time people are grieved, them are going to say some things. Because remember, the woman picked me this. And the woman picked me this and she love her pickness. So some words are going to come out her mouth where you have to just make them come through 1 year and go through the next. You can't pay her no mind because she will say whatever. I'll know she don't start grieve yet, you know. Remember, you know. All now she don't start to grieve yet. There's no words when nobody can use to comfort her. There is none because of the woman pitney. People will lose a child already can attest to everything what she say. Because you just feel like somebody do it or somebody like, you have to understand. You don't come out and say, why the mother would have said something like that? I wonder who she attack. And you not going to make assumption. Like, come on, man. When a person lose somebody with them love, you can't comfort them with words. You can't tell the people them say, oh, he's in a better place and she's in a better place. When me lose my mother, you think a bomb buckler body can't come tell me about my mother gone in a better place. You want me get mad? Eh? My mother gone in which better place? My mother over me the rest. And our bone them get white over there. When I come tell me about. In a which better place? Whenever you hear nobody tell us say Evan nice. Whenever you hear nobody tell us say Ella burn. We never sit down at Elliot. We never see up at Evan yet. Eh? We never hear nobody come back and tell us, say, no, sit down you're nice. You don't come or up you're nice. You're the place loud. We never hear nobody come back and tell us that yet. We never hear that yet. So there's nothing where you can tell me when me lose a loved one. There's nothing you can't tell me. So when the lady goes about my out that nobody not even for take it serious. You understand? Nobody not to take it serious. So now if you just know say people are going to say some things and just people will say people say, my daughter never like you, you know. My son never like you, you know. Where do you? Hey, move them out here. You understand? So when me I try to say to some people, they say if you're a person never good when them alive, nobody feel like when them dead they must go to them funeral, boy, you have to play last respect. Don't go. Because other people you going to know say you and them never good and you and them good have problem and then you going to just feel away, you going to want to defend yourself and fight, you going to go on and it's going to lead to fire and wait there. So if you and the person are good, no go. If you and them make good, make amends when time them alive. Don't make amends when people dead because all them are going to know say you make amends. Oh, I'm paying my final respect. Oh, you pay final respect, I never respect me, you never good. Me, you never good and I'm dead and gone and you want to come on my funeral. I just feel like I rejoice, you want to come rejoice. No come. No reach out to nobody for me and talk about your sorry for you. No do that shit. Just make me dead and go on. See? And that's why I say to people, say, yo, but just want to just understand, say, grieving is a thing. I still a grieve right now. I still a grieve. Me, the man just get up more time and remember my mother. I just remember something about my mother. Like, me, I'll cook little food. I remember say, I can't carry little go give my mother. It's problem. A problem. But me not come show it to people. I go sleep. Because everybody deal with them problem different. There is no way I should come on this live and I cuss with Uno and Uno not do me nothing. Uno not do me nothing. And just to me I grieve and I remember my mother when me lose. Me come on and me a disrespect Uno when not do me nothing. And then now no found go to understand a little bit. And no found not gonna understand and say the boy Richie had diss me. I go up on the boy live. And the boy re. You see me? Uno not gonna understand. That's why I not come on the internet when me have a problem. Because Uno not do me nothing. What Uno do me? Uno not do me nothing. And remember saying everything you can apologize for. Because once a person ever in a situation, all them are going to understand. Yvette, Zine, that's why them always have a saying where them always say, what is not understood doesn't need an explanation. Because everybody are going to understand. So when me I try to explain to everybody for, I just dig off and take for myself. And when I take for myself, I just know, say, yo, I just one of those days. Zine? But The peanut jet situation, I don't want nobody to come and blame Slick White Line. Like Slick White Line. Do peanut jet anything. The man where they behind the camera will have the YouTube channel. Whosoever have peanut jet YouTube channel and now broke no bread with peanut jet, are them are the wicked. Peanut jet need help. Peanut jet need, if he's a boardhouse, him need some ply around it. Him need some zinc around it. And remember say, last week a girl tell me how plyboard there, $15,000 for a sheet of ply. I never know say a supply board gone there. Remember one time gone I was $5 for a sheet of ply. Now them say $15,000 for a plyboard. Me never know. So if you need 10 sheet of ply, you know how much money that right there, so? Eh? So if him have the place to put the house and you can help him, do me a beg on, please. Anything one can give, if I give a $30, $20, $500, all I can add up, and then somebody reputable can assist in helping peanut dread, because everybody in our grabbing. Remember when time Rose claim come to fame and twin man them have her, and twin man them get things, and twin man them a gear, right? And the same people them don't wish part Rose live say twin man a robber, and she cuss out twin man, because every time twin man get the money she got try buy everything for the whole of down her yard. Everybody say, come Rose, my friend. Rose buy me something now. She gone in her bosom with her little breast and her big brassiere. And go some man take out the money out of her big brassiere and I give the people, buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that. And the boy, when you make pert or pex pert or text pert or way one name, beat up Rose every minute, take a Rose money. Right? Come on in a star and say them I got married and I go on with a bag of thing. See? Say them I go on with a bag of thing. And make twin man ball. Me say when me see that youth cry on the internet, me beck. Actually not even know, me beck when me see the youth cry, you know. Because you can see the youth love Rose, you know. But again, true Rose slow and she only understand ignorance. Because remember, you know, a slow person who is mentally challenged, only thing they know is anger. Stealth tech. Big up yourself, computer whiz. Seeing, me say when me see that youth cry, live in high water, me vex. The way me get so ignorant, because this youth I show you say, yo, me I show empathy to this woman here. Me not have to do it, me I do my own thing. See? And then tell the little woman say, oh, remember say, from, if Rose did I get the help what she supposed to did forget. Because remember say she get the help, you know. But again, the people them never make she take it and go build up which part she live or whatever. When me look, I see one dread of Rose run on one place, I cack her up. When I look again, one other video come on one part, and next man I cack up Rose run on one. I be people who say, well, Rose and I fuck it right, show. In a marry, be people just have Rose and just cack her up all show. Jeffrey, you're over here. I not tell a lie, people say Jeffrey, yeah. Not tell a lie, the girl them say them hate a boy, yeah. Make we big him up. Big up yourself, Jeffrey. Right now, you have one of the hottest podcasts them in the whole wide place right now. Right now, you have what the guy named Joe Rogan or what a man they want name right now. Or Alex Jones, the man them people there right now. I have to tell you that and tell you the truth. Enough girl don't like you. The girl them say, yo, every time you talk, it's like you hate them, you don't know what them do. One girl fuck on you and mad you and you just take it to heart. You see me? So, we have to big you up. We can't wait till the youth them mash up and bad things happen to them, then we are come talk about. You know I was a good youth. Them youth is good youth. See, him have one podcast named Keeping It Real, and him have a next one named Toxic Talk. Be people that watch it. See? Be people that watch it and I get good review. So me have to big you up. Me have to big you up. Big up yourself, Jeffrey. One little girl fuck pan you and stress you out. You run you come to Jamaica and the man just come like him have a problem with be a woman. Young 25-year-old, 27-year-old boy. Fuck pan mad the youth. Man say, yo, star, me no more clown out in me. Yo, why woman have to always do me this? Why woman have to always do me that? Yo, girl fuck pan me and stress me, brother. The whole of it girl fuck pan. Wait name, let's be honest, sir. Let's talk about it, sir. Wait one name. See? Girl fuck pan the man and the man just take it to heart. Every time the man attack, the man says, ah, me no know. And them put some sound behind the man video them. The sound them go behind the man video them, yo, you have to sorry for the man and I say, oh God, poor thing. Oh God, poor thing. Whoa, every day me I tell you say fuck pan at only think a joke, you know. And no, the man not get over that fuck pan here where the man get in a man. Yo, see some live with the man document where the man I say, yo, you have my green card. Yo, give me back my gun and my green card. More my green card. Whoa, murder. Man move from New York and go Atlanta. Yo, God know them say the man go to man there. Jamaica now. Yo, God know. Big up yourself, yeah. Big up yourself. Your rating style. I have to big you up. I have to big you up. People don't wait till you them thing mash up and then you want to say, he's a scarred youth, but he will get over it. You see me? He's a scarred youth, him scarred, but him alright. Trust me, he's a youth to him energy. Because I remember saying I go up on him show, you know. And him energy. Latte. Him energy. Me like him energy where him have. I can't say no. If him fake, him never play no fake with me. Because him know me, that tell him which part of him mother him for go. But him have a realness to him and you have to great people when them have them realness there to them. So big up yourself, Jeffrey. Where you want me to talk? Where you hold there? I hold there, want me to give you respect and ratings, man. Yo, all the ratings over me and have a nice life, man.